Compared to, let's say, going for a hemogram or a HbA1c or a lipid profile, which across labs, largely the reporting remains standardized. A lot of reporting when it comes to breast imaging, whether it is mammography, whether it is ultrasound, comes down to the expertise individual observer reporting the test. So it's not like you go through a mammogram, at the end of it, you get a little slip with the report. There's a radiologist who is actively studying those images and are supposed to evaluate it and compare this year's mammogram to your previous mammogram. Look at your prior biopsies that you may have had, prior surgeries you may have had, and then derive a report, which usually then gets reported as, in various what we follow is something called as a BIRAT score, which is given at the end of your mammogram. And the usual recommendation is anything BIRATs 4 and up is advised a biopsy confirmation. Now, what we end up seeing, at least in India especially, where breast imaging is not very well developed, especially when we look at average community radiologists who may not have had as much experience, there's a lot of false negative reporting that happens. And I feel like, at some point, AI is already part of, a lot of equipment that is coming out. There's a computer-aided detection systems that are already being used in interpretation of mammography. There are your tools of mammography interpretation will guide the radiologist. Hey, look at this area better. But I'm really hopeful that it will, decrease the error rates of the average mediocre radiologist. And that's not to insult anybody. I'm just saying that if you don't have adequate volume in reporting, I'm hoping that the AI tool, which has more access to more data, will make you less error prone. And whether we like it or not, that's going to be there.